Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I like to thank all my subscribers all over the world to make Marine Tech Hub to the highest level. Membership level 5 will get full support for 1 year and all the video links. So people calling from the ship from cadet to chief engineers level, real time troubleshooting, I am helping them to solve the problem so that they can save time and money for the company. So today I'll be explaining you about the air condition control unit. I'll be playing the video for you so that you will understand what you are going to do when you are operating the air condition at different stages. Okay. Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I'll be explaining you about AC, that is air condition control panel. You can see it is written AHU, it is air handling unit side. In this picture you can see the inlet fresh air temperature is 24.7 degrees and outlet is going to be 17.5 degrees and the air blower is running and the compressor is running, so it is cooling. So you have a valve here. If you want to keep fresh air, you can keep full fresh air, or if you don't want, you can shut this so that you have the recirculation within the cabin. When during summer time you want to keep it full shut so that the temperature comes down in the ship. So very important point to remember is whenever you are loading cargo, we have to keep this 10% open so that we do not get any gas which is coming from the deck into the cabin while loading. So you have to keep 10% open so that you get a positive pressure in the cabin. You should not never shut this full, otherwise you will have a negative pressure. When there is a negative pressure in the cabin accommodation, if any door is open, then the whole gas will come inside. So that's why it's very important. This question is asked most of the time to chief officer and engineers, how you throttle this valve. So this is a flap valve. You can keep it 10% open here. You can see in this picture right now. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the solenoid valves above the air handling unit. Right now one is open. So I'll be running the video for you to show what it is. When you press here, the password is 888848 for this system. So you will have different, you can see this is compressor 1 and compressor 2. Then this is the AHU diagram. You will have this. When you press this, you will get the alarm histories. So I will just scroll through it so that you will understand what I am talking about. You can see here this is the compressor running, and you can see the 5.4 bar is the pressure here. Temperature is 15.4. So after it is compressed, it goes to the condenser for cooling. You can see the AHU unit coming from here, inlet. Then this is the outlet to the AHU unit. This will go to the cabin. So parameters can be adjusted from here. I will run through all the slides so that you will understand what I am doing it. This is the main compressor. You can see, you press here. Then you have the delay time. The delay time is 1200 seconds here. Then the section pressure I kept at 2 bar. This should not reduce less than that. Then you have the trip 22, warning 21 bar. Then you have the trip alarm at 3.5 alarm, this is alarm, and delay is 30 seconds. All these parameters you can adjust. So one important thing what you have to remember is do not change the parameters very often. So in this case you can see now the stage 1 is running. You can operate this manually or in auto. So you can see the delay time is 10 seconds here for decrease delay, and increase is 20 seconds. The stage also you can increase manually. Right now it is in stage 1, so I can put it into stage 2 also. then enter. It will come to stage 2. Then just I want to show how parameters can be changed. That's why I am running it. You can see here all the settings, and that can be changed here to make sure that all the safeties are working. So very important thing for the engineers, remember that is, do not change the setting because these settings are initially done by the factory setting, so that if you change any setting you should know why you are changing it. So that you can see this is the section temperature alarm, you can see here, you can reset it here. This is the main button, you can go back on this. One important thing while running AC is make sure that all the filters are cleaned regularly, so that you will be able to run more efficiently. Most of the time during the summer time the AC doesn't run properly, so try to circulate more water into the condenser and shut other lines which are not in use, so that you are able to cool the gas and freon is collected. So I am trying to run all the slides so that you will understand what you have to do best. So these things are normally not done. So I have specially made this video for all the youngsters who have joined the ship, how they are going to handle the big plant. These kind of AC plants are also installed in supermarkets. This is in the ship. So supermarket also you can see this kind of handling unit. So I am trying to show you, you can see this is the stage, you can see this solenoid valve is open, so gas is passing through the AHU. You can see yes, 52, 50, 54. So what we are doing is we are trying to keep the temperature in the particular room, say 10 degrees, or sorry, if it is 25 degrees, it will automatically open the solenoid valve and maintain the temperature in the room. So you can see this solenoid valve is open. This is above the AHU. This will throttle the gas which is required for cooling the room. So this is the total thing control here. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can message me. If you like the video, you can subscribe. My email number, my telephone number is there, email address is there, and if you want the membership, you have the bank details are there. So people are calling me for troubleshooting. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you very much.